In this video, I'll detail how to restart your iPhone from the new control center on iOS 18. So the new iOS 18 brings in a new feature that can quickly be used to restart your iPhone or turn off your iPhone without using the side button together just like this. So if you press the side button and the follow more button together, it should be taken to where to turn off your iPhone and then click on the side button again to restart it. However, this new feature is only available on iOS 18 at the moment. So if you're using iOS 17.6 or earlier, you'll not be able to access this feature. So if I don't know this video, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to restart your iPhone from the new control center on iOS 18, all you just need to do is swipe down the control center from the top right like this. Then locate the power button there. You cannot just click the power button like this. So you need to press and hold the power button. So once you press and hold the power button, you're going to feel the haptics in your hand. And once you feel the haptics, let it go. Then you should see slide the power off. Then you just need to do to restart your iPhone here is slide the power off like this. Then once this is off, go back and then type the side button to restart your iPhone. So let's go ahead and do this. Press and hold the side button like this. Slide to power off. Then this is going to turn off your iPhone without using the side button and then the volume up. And once your iPhone is turned off, go ahead and press the side button. Now, once you see the Apple logo comes up by pressing the side button, then let's go the button, and before you know it, your iPhone will come up again and the restart process will be completed. So there's no need to press the side button, volume up button now to turn off or restart your iPhone. So this is how to easily restart your iPhone from the new control center on iOS 18. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.